All right, I've got a lot of projects going on. Today we're going to work on the Ezgo 2013 Ezgo RXV with the Kawasaki motor, gas engine in it. I just got done putting some lettering on my HD Silverado over there. Going to be working on the mini truck, and there's a couple things we got to do to my wife's car, Toyota 86. But right now the focus of this video is on this. We're going to change the steering wheel, which we just recently got in a steering wheel. I found this on eBay for, I think it was like 53 bucks. Carbon fiber, red. Then the adapter plate, I think, or the hub adapter, I think that was another, it was 30 bucks, something like that. And then we've got the steering column cover, the piece that goes right there. So the black one will be coming out, and there'll be a stainless steel one going in. That's what we're doing today. All right, first thing we got to do is we got to get the old steering wheel off. Sometimes you can grab them right here, which this is the bottom, okay, because that's where your golf cart clip goes. But the bottom, most time you can grab it and pop it up, because there's just little push clips. They actually go to the bottom, so you can actually get them from the back side if yours are really tight. See, it's just these little hooks like that. If yours are really tight, then just get on the back side of the steering wheel and pop each one of those out, and you can get this whole thing out. Then you've got a cover that goes over the bolt. So now once you get that, oh, what the hell? The cover. Oh, I guess somebody put that there so that it would support the back side of the clipboard. But that's just a paint can top. I can't remember if I did that or not. Anyway, throw that to the side and then get you a big bolt so you can take that off. You'll be able to hold the steering wheel and get that cranked off. I'm going to find the right size and let you guys know what it is. This is a 15/16. Now if you don't have one of these, then you can buy one, or you can try using an adjustable wrench, or if you have some open in or close in wrenches, that might work as well. I'm doing it the easy way. I'm doing that, and I'm going with an air ratchet so that I can pop this off real quick. All right, this is the tricky part. If you don't have a steering wheel puller actually like grabs it on four corners and wraps around the back side so that you can screw it down, and it pushes this down and pulls the steering wheel out. If you don't have one of those, use one of these. Don't do what I did a long time ago. I was holding this, and I was sitting right in front of the steering wheel. I was pushing up with both hands. Needless to say, I'm pushing up with both hands like this, and it popped off. And with both hands, as hard as I can be pushing, I just slammed the steering wheel into my face. It was an eye-opening experience that I'll never do again. Like I said, just take this. I mean, if you're trying to protect this, then by all means put a towel on there and then bang it up right here on this side, and then bang it up on that side, and it'll pop right off. All right, so now we're gonna do this, and you gotta figure out how this shaft is on here, or does the new stainless steel go over the stock piece. I'm gonna get that out of the box, and we'll see what happens. Well, this is where reading very closely. This is the TXT. This is for the TXT, not the RXV. So, yeah, it's the same size, and it won't slide on. At least I don't think it will. No. So yeah, got the wrong one. I may have to order the other one. One of these days I'll use this for something. I don't know what. But I'll have to order the RXV edition because it's a bigger diameter, apparently. Alright, well, we'll finish the steering wheel installation. We'll take the hub, and we'll just slide the hub on there, if that'll even fit. Guess what? That don't fit either. Guess I'm not doing a video today. And then I had to reorder one of these. So we're actually like a week and a half later. I had to order a new hub adapter. So once you get the steering wheel off, Then with the proper hub adapter, it should just slide right on there. So now that's on there nice and where it's supposed to be. We'll go ahead and take this and I'll put that on there how it's supposed to be. And then we'll go ahead and put the let me get this out. There. And I've decided I'm not going to put the shaft on there, the column. I may end up either painting this or wrapping this with the carbon fiber red when I get around to it. That way the cart is red and that's red, and then this will match with the steering wheel. So once you get that on there, then all you're doing is you're lining these holes up, putting it on there, and bolting it in. Be right back. All right, next problem. The button that come with the steering wheel won't go all the way in because of the bolt, how far it sticks out. So my fix is I'm filling this in with paper towels. If you need to blow your nose, let me know. I'll take my steering wheel apart. And then I took a piece of my carbon fiber vinyl and I'm putting it here. I'm using the napkin as a filler, so then that way I can put it on there. I'm going to get this all put together real quick. There we go. I think that works out nicely. I may not have a button, but that actually blends in very nicely with the steering wheel the way it is. So there we go, installing a steering wheel and steering wheel adapter onto an Ezgo golf cart, slightly modified. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We'll be getting a lot more videos out as I get parts in. So next I'm going to go back up and work on my mini truck. I've got a little bit of stuff to do on this, so that'll be on some of my next videos. Talk to you guys later.